Three gunned down in Lilliput, St. James. Hi again and welcome. This is Links007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and click on all so you're always updated with our latest news report. We'll be right back. Welcome to Links007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV News Report. Crime scene investigators were kept busy in a section of Lilliput, St. James, where 3 people, including a teenager, were shot and taken out by unknown assailants in 2 separate incidents on Saturday. The police have identified all the victims of St. James' addresses. They are 31-year-old laborer Akish Campbell of Garden Crescent, Granville, and 34-year-old farmer Leroy Service, also called Breeder, and Magic of Bobman Hill, Lilliput, and 17-year-old unemployed Rashid Stewart of New England, also in Lilliput, St. James. The crime scene investigators were summoned to the community following the shooting of Campbell, who was lured from his motor car by a man who alighted from another motor vehicle and knocked on the driver's window around 4:30 p.m. As Campbell exited his vehicle, the man pulled a firearm and opened fire, hitting him multiple times, the police said. He was subsequently transported to the Falmouth General Hospital, where he succumbed to his injuries. Police said the second shooting occurred around 9 p.m. when 2 men brandished handguns pounced upon a group of people who were gathered near a bar in Lilliput and opened fire, hitting Stewart several times. The gunman reportedly chased Stewart, who collapsed after running into a premises and pumped several more shots into his body. Both men were rushed to the Cornwall Regional Hospital, where they succumbed to their injuries. Councillor for the Rose Hall Division in St. James, Anthony Murray, offered condolences to the bereaved family members and bemoaned the deadly shooting that have plunged the community of Lilliput into division. I want to ask if you have any information. Please pass it on to the relevant authorities so that they can do the necessary work that they need to be done to rid the community of this crime that is plaguing the community, according to Murray. He also pleaded to the police to be diligent in their investigation. I know it is impossible to put police at everybody's door and everybody's gate, but I am going to ask you to do your best to protect the law-abiding citizens of Lilliput. We want to get back Lilliput to the state that it was known for, said Murray. This has been Links007 TV News Report, and we will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.